Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.5, Problem 13. This is Section 1.5, Problem number 13. It says, Adam spent 37 minutes doing his English homework, 51 minutes on his math homework, and 42 minutes on his history homework. Without actually doing the computation, use estimation to determine which of the following is closest to how much time Adam spent doing his homework. And our options are 100 minutes, 110 minutes, 120 minutes, 130 minutes. So first was 37 minutes for the math. So let's just round that off to 40. Next was 51 minutes for math. And then 42 for history, so 40, let's round that off. 42 will round to 40. So now, if I have 40 plus 50, that's 90. 90 plus 40 more is 130. So one of our options is 130. So if we actually did all the computation out, it should be fairly close to 130. So the answer is option D, 130 minutes.